everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Desire 10th study vlog. If you guys are new to my channel, then do subscribe it and press the bell icon to keep yourself updated with new content. Today I woke up around 8 o'clock in the morning, and when I saw outside my window, the sky was full of clouds. It was a cloudy morning and the whole atmosphere was very cold and the temperature was very pleasing. On such a beautiful and pleasant day, it becomes really hard to leave the bed, but I tried my best. I gained all my energy and I left the bed. I know it's a study vlog, but here I want to take a little break and grab few moments in order to thank all of you, because all of you have supported me a lot. Initially we got 1k subscribers and I was really happy about it, but after all, like within few span of time, all of you really showed me a lot of love and support, and that's why now we are family of 10k subscribers, and I'm really thankful to all of you and really grateful to all the support which you guys have given to me. In return, I can promise one thing, that I will keep you guys entertained, motivated, and also I'll be sharing a lot of tips and tricks which I learned during my study sessions with you all. And also today's video is really special because today I'm going to keep one contest and I'll be discuss about that contest soon in the video, so stay tuned. When I woke up in the morning, I saw there were a lot of clouds in the sky. It was a cloudy day, but just after 2 hours the sky was really clear, sun was there. So yes, it is an indication, it is a kind of hope that nothing is constant and things keep on changing. So yes, I really got motivated by this natural phenomena. It is around 10 o'clock and I'm back from my morning walk. I got freshened up and here I'm preparing myself breakfast. So in today's breakfast I'm having fruit salad. So I'm having some plum, some green citrus fruit and mango. When I look outside my window, the clouds were back in the sky and the entire atmosphere was very cool and it was very pleasant temperature out there. So that's why I decided to have breakfast near my window only. It is around 10:30 in the morning and I have started my first study session of the day. Yes, it is a little late, but it happens sometimes. And today I have started with my geography revision and I am studying ocean currents. So these are the notes which I made earlier when I was watching the videos, and this particular notes of mine are combinations of some of the printed diagrams, because geography has a lot of concepts also. So and it has some temperature variation, some other diagrams. So that's why I found that if I print some of the diagrams, it will be really easy for me to understand the concepts and also to relate things. So yes, that's why I printed particular diagrams which I found that I really need them alongside my notes. So that's why I printed and pasted it where I have written the notes. This method has really saved a lot of my time, and in my notes I have drawn such diagrams which I can draw in my mains paper also. So those are the things which I have drawn by hand, but other things for understanding mostly I have printed for my geography notes. In morning I didn't had my herbal tea, my lemongrass tea, and that's why I was feeling little dizzy. So I decided to take a little break and get some lemongrass from my terrace and prepare the lemongrass tea. I'm big fan of herbal tea and I keep on experimenting with it, and I really love lemongrass tea. It's one of my favorite and it has a lot of health benefits also, like it helps in boosting immunity, metabolism. It also helps in weight loss and it can also recover us from cold or flu. So I really love it, and whenever I consume this lemongrass tea, I really feel back with all my energy, and it's really refreshing. Its citrus taste is so good. You guys also can try it. It's very simple to make. You just have to pluck some of the lemongrass tea, have to add it in water, and you have to strain it, and it's ready to consume. Currently it's 1 o'clock and I'm reading Challenges to Internal Security of India by Ashok Kumar. I really found this book very interesting and helpful, especially for UPSC internal security subject, because this book not only has static portion but it also has a lot of current events as an example given for the static portion. So I found this book very beneficial. And as UPSC has extended the date, so some of my portion of this internal security are also left, so I am going to grab this opportunity and going to complete some of the remaining portions which were left by me. So yes, that's why I am reading this book. Currently it's around 3 o'clock and I'm going to end this study session. It was about 2 hours long, and here I'm taking a break. And today the day was really cloudy, so I was expecting a rain, and finally it was raining and I was really happy, but the rain was not that much pleasant. It was added with a lot of strong wind, and a lot of trees were moving very fast along with the motion of the wind. The rain was really heavy, so that's why I quickly ran up to my terrace and I saved my little plant. I get the plant into a little shade so that all the soil don't get removed by the rainwater. The outside atmosphere was so pleasant that I couldn't resist myself by opening the window, so that's why I decided to keep the study a little aside and enjoy the rain and enjoy the things which are happening outside, what is going on the road. So that's why I was enjoying the rain. I enjoyed watching rain for half an hour, and after it I took my lunch break. It also took me half an hour, so I took a 1 hour long break, and after it I started third study session of the day, and here I am reading my economic notes. I am revising my old economic notes so that in upcoming days I can attempt some of the prelim test series for economics. And yes, it will be sectional test series first, then I will take full length test series. I have seen my community post that a lot of you guys have voted for the contest and you guys are really excited to talk with me. And so yes, without wasting any time, let's start telling about the instruction for the contest. So the first step is you have to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. The second step is you have to like my study blog, and the third step is you have to write in the comment section below any motivational quote which you find really inspiring. So yes, these are the 3 basic steps, and out of the comment section I'll pick one motivational quote which I really like, and that will be the winner, and I'll announce the winner in my next study vlog. So I'm really excited for it. I hope you guys are also. So find a beautiful quote and write it in the comment section below. Currently it's 6 o'clock and I have completed 2 hour long revision study session, and after it I'm taking a break, and here I'm roasting some of the groundnuts for myself. Over a period of time, I have realized that whenever I take small study breaks in between my long study sessions, which are 2 hours long or 2 or 30 minutes long, the small study sessions really help me to sustain throughout the day, and it has really benefited me in my studies. So I suggest you guys to also try this method. Currently it is around 7:30 and I'm watching current affair video on YouTube, and I feel really great because I haven't skipped any of the current affair for the entire month in last months also. So it feels so great, and if you guys have also done it and if you haven't missed any of the current affair for the single day, so do write in the comment section below. Currently it is around 10 o'clock in the night, and I have completed my 2 hour long study session for my current affairs, and this was the last study session of the day. And In entire day today I have completed my 4 study sessions, which is of 2 hours each, and in between I have took enough sufficient study break, and so that's why I decided to cook dinner today for my family. And here I am preparing pumpkin mixed veg soup. Today is a chill day for me, that's why I'm preparing dinner. Otherwise, I don't cook because mostly I spend my time in studying or doing my own things, either printing my notes or arranging some of my PDFs. So rarely I cook, but when I cook, I really enjoy that thing also. When we are studying for exam like UPSC or other competitive exam, it is really necessary that we keep ourselves sustained for a longer period of time, and for that one thing is very important, that we have to keep ourselves happy. And it depends from person to person that in which particular activity you find your happiness. For me, sometimes it's taking care of animals, or taking care of my plants which I really love, or doing some cooking work, or decorating my room. So yes, I found happiness in these things. So you can also figure out the things which you like, and that can help you to stay happy in this journey. And staying happy is really important, because that also help you to motivate to study each and every day. On this note, I would like to end the study vlog, and the description for the contest is given in the description box also. Happy study hours to all. If you guys really like my video, then do give a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, write in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them all. Thank you guys for watching my video and loving my content.